Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I hope you all are doing well. I'd like to share with you the Mcgrath Divine Lip Kit. I will do swatches as well as try them on for you. But before we get to that, let's read the description from Pat's website. Create your most kissable mouth masterpieces ever with a brilliant bouquet uniting 4 hothouse hues inspired by the Divine Blush collection. This must-have kit stars the weightless matte majorness of Mattetrance lipstick in Dream Lover, the soothing balm splendor and mirror-esque reflection of Lip Fetish Divinyl Lip Shine in Divine Rose 2 and Flesh 7, and the surreal shine of Lust Gloss in Earth Angel, a curated collection for lips that bloom without caution. One of my favorite things to do is to read Pat's description. So let's get into the 4-piece. So we have them here. And we're going to, let's start with, which one is this one? This one is the Lust Gloss. Comes in this box. Let me put these down first. So this is what the box looks like for the Lust Gloss. Oh, how pretty. And here is the gloss. Wow. That does have a sheen to it, doesn't it? There it is. Wow. So that's the gloss, and the name of it is Earth Angel. The next we move on to the lipstick, and the box looks like this. And the lipstick is called Dream Lover, and this is Mattetrance. That's what the bullet looks like. It's very pretty, even though I'm not a fan of nudes. But it's, oh, that is gorgeous. Look at this color. Do you see that? How stunning is that color? Okay. Then next we have, this is the Lip Shine in Divine Rose 2. And again, the box is the same as the lipstick. So pretty. Look at that sheen. Oh, did I not show you? I'm sorry. It looks like this. There's the color. And here's the swatch. That is beautiful. And then the last one, this is another Lip Fetish Divinyl Lip Shine. And this one is in Flesh 7. Packaging is the same, the bullet is the same as the one before. Oh, the sheen on this is just beautiful. Do you see that? So let me take off Pat's Bloodlust 1, and then we will come back and we'll try these on. Okay? See you in a few minutes. How about we try the lip gloss just on my bare lips? If you notice that I do have dark just on the perimeter of my lips, it's darker, so I doubt this is gonna do anything, but let's just try it. I'm using the viewfinder as my mirror when I could be using my KVD. What do you think? Even more ghostly? For me, I would not wear this by itself. On top of something else, yes, but not by itself. It's very pretty though. It feels, it's soft, it's weightless. I like it. I really do like it, but it's not something that I would wear. I'm not a gloss girl, so, but I will try it over something else. So let's take this off, and then we will try the lipstick. So let's try the lipstick in Dream Lover. Here's the color. Nudes are not my friend. So that's Dream Lover. Okay, looking in the viewfinder, I look like I'm sick. Do you see why I say nudes aren't my friend? They just don't, they do nothing for me. But let's try the lip gloss on top of that, because clearly that's not going to do anything. But let's just try it. Why am I a glutton for punishment? Okay, what do you think? Be honest with me. It's okay. You will not hurt my feelings. It's okay. What do you think? Thank you. Okay, so let's remove this and we'll move on to the Divinyls. So now let's try one of the Divinyls. I'm going to try the Fetish Divinyl Lip Shine in Flesh 7. And here's the color. I can tell you that just like the Divinyls from last year? These are so soft. It doesn't feel like you're wearing anything. It's so moisturizing. It's just effortless. You put it on and it just feels like your own lips. just moisturized. So let's take this off and we'll move on to Divine Rose 2 Lip Fetish Divinyl. And here it is. Did I show you that before? I think I did. So let's see. This will be perfect for someone who has that really pretty pink lips. For me, who I have darker lips, and this is not really showing up. Very lightly, but I don't mind that though. Do you see that? It's so pretty though. Again, this is the perfect wash of color that I love to have on my lips when I am not glam. This is something I can wear if I'm just putting on a tint like the Fenty Easy Drop. I just put that on, or the Fenty powder foundation. I quickly just put that on, and then this, and I'm out the door. This is absolutely perfect. Again, it's weightless. It's moisturizing. It gives your lips a softer, weightless, it just feels weightless, and your lips feels moisturized, and I'm feeling myself. It just feels really beautiful on the lips, basically. That's what I'm saying. And it just makes you feel sexy. Sometimes less is more. Yes, I love being glam. I love being glam. But there's some times where I just want to have something like these lip shine. I put that on, maybe a skin tint or something, and I'm out the door, and sometimes I just feel my absolute best. I feel beautiful, I feel sexy, I feel like a woman. It just makes you feel so soft and girly. These types of lipsticks or lip shine just makes you feel girly or womanly and sexy. Especially these colors. Pat does these colors very well. They're soft. It's just a kiss of color. It's absolutely perfect. What do you think? I'm loving them. The lipstick, I may I may change my mind about this. I may change my mind about it. I mean, I've never worn nude because once I put it on and I look like death warmed over, I just take it off immediately. So I've never actually worn it, but I may just give this a go. I may give it a go. What do you think? Let me know in the comments what you thought of this lipstick on me. But everything else I absolutely love and I enjoy. And I'm so happy that I got this collection. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all are doing well. As always, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Simply pay it forward. Until next time. Goodbye.